Okay, Amelia regularly buys bird feed to place on her bird table. The winter mix bird feed contains buckwheat, millet and sunflower seeds. For every 2 grams of buckwheat, there are 3 grams of millet and 5 grams of sunflower seeds. How much millet is there in an 850 gram bag of winter mix bird feed? Okay, so what we've got here is ratio. So we're saying we've got buckwheat to millet to sunflower seeds in the ratio of 2 to 3 to 5. So if we imagine these to be like little bowls, we'd have 2 equal sized bowls of buckwheat, 3 of millet, okay, and 5 sunflower. Okay, so we've got 5 bowls, we've got 10 bowls altogether. So 10 bowls, we'll call it 10 parts though. It's going to equal 850 grams. So that means that each part, so each bowl, has to contain 85 grams. So in each one of those there's 85. And we're looking at the millet, so there's 85 in there, 85 in there, 85 in there. So altogether, well, 3 80s is 240, and the 3 5s is 15, so 255 grams. 85 grams times by 3 is 255 grams. Okay, now, looking at the next part then, unfortunately, Mr. Lancaster has made another error, but never mind, he's forgotten to put the extra page in for our workings. So I'm going to do them on his paper for you. Okay, it says, the summer mix of bird food is sold in different size bags. Amelia bought exactly 5 kilograms of summer mix bird feed. She found the cheapest option for buying the bird feed. How much did Amelia pay for the bird feed? You must show how many bags of each side Amelia bought, and you must show all your workings. Okay, so the first thing we need to do then is work out which is the cheapest way of doing it, which is the cheapest bag. And we're going to do that by making some comparisons over a kilogram. So if we look at this first side, we've got that 250 grams cost 49 pence. Okay, so a kilogram then would cost, well, 4 lots of 50 is £2. Taking away the pennies, a kilogram would cost £1.96. Now we're going to look at the 300 grams. So 300 grams cost 54 pence. So that means that 100 grams then costs, well, dividing it by 3 is 18 pence. So 1 kilogram, that's 1,000 grams, isn't it? So that's going to be £1.80. And finally we've got the 4 kilogram bag, and that costs £7.60. So for 1 kilogram then, dividing it by 4, so half and half again, you get £1.90. So actually the cheapest way of doing it is to buy the most 300 gram bags that you can. So that one is the cheapest. Okay, so that's the cheapest, that's the one we need to use the most of. Okay, now I'm going to buy 15 bags of 300 grams. Okay, and that will take me up to 4.5 kilograms. Okay, I can't go any more because I won't be able to buy the extra bits to make 5 kilograms. And I'm then going to buy 2 bags of 250 grams. And that's going to give me the half a kilogram, so that when I add them together I get the 5 kilograms. Okay, so 15 bags of 300, so 15 lots of 54. Okay, I'll do it by here, so 15 times 54. Alright, well 10 times 54 is going to be £5.40. 5 times 54 is half of that, so it's £2.70. Adding them together, £8.10. Okay, so there's a little bit of rough work in there. So that's going to be £8.10. And then I need 2 bags of 250 grams. Well, 250 grams costs 49 pence. So 2 bags would be 2 lots of 50, take away 2 pence, be 98 pence. Okay, that's easy enough, wasn't it? Okay, adding those together. 0 and 8 is 8, 0, carry. £9 and 8 pence. That was all I had to do, wasn't it? Yep. Show how many bags and how much it would cost. There we are, all done.